In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Fluxus injection failed, LoadLibFail Dll not found. First, go to CMD, run as administrator, then write these following commands. So dsm/online cleanup image restore health, press enter. Then sfc/scan now and press enter. And after it's done, close this and check if it fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then go here and type in Roblox player, and then open file location, then open file location. So delete everything here, and after you delete it, go to control panel, and then programs. And if you see Roblox Studio or Roblox Player, just delete it, uninstall it. So what you're gonna try to do is reinstall it after you uninstall it. So for example, here's Roblox. I would click uninstall, Roblox as well, uninstall. And after that, you will just reinstall it, and this should fix the issue.